Get paid to read articles. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. I've already confirmed it with the app that there's somebody in the app that has already made over $3,500 using this app. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to use this app today. So you can at least, if you don't earn $3,500 for it, I'm not promising that you can earn any money with this app, but I'm just putting this out there. I believe if she can do it, if everybody else can do it. You have to continuously go out there and hustle and actually work for this. But if you do nothing, obviously you're not going to make any money. So I just want to put that income disclaimer out there. So this is really a really good app, and it's worldwide. This app is worldwide, so you don't have to worry about that. I know in the past I've promoted apps that haven't been worldwide. This is actually worldwide. So I want you to remember these one, two, three. Remember these three things before I show you this app. First of all, you want to read the articles. Constantly hit the give on the app. So it's going to be a little give box, and I'm going to show you where it's at, and it's going to give you free points. You want to refer. You want to refer people directly to this app so you can earn more money. This is a great app. This is a new app that just really been released. It's only had 10,000 downloads when I looked at it on the Google Play Store. You want to get yourself a piece of this app, and you want to get paid to actually read. So if you've been looking for ways to make money online, this is exactly what you need to get into right now. So let me just, and a link to this app will be in the description below as well. So if you want to stay to the end of this video, and then you can just go ahead and get that link in the description below, click it, go directly to the Google Play Store, and you will be at the app. So let me go ahead and pull this up. Give me a second. Let me pull this app up real quick, and we're going to get right into it. Like I said, really simple app. The app, and you're not going to believe this is a really new app. It hasn't been out that long. The app is called BuzzBreak. If I open up the BuzzBreak app, it has a way that you can earn money by constantly reading articles. These have a bunch of articles in here that you can go in here and read. I would suggest you come in here, you read all of the articles and get as many points as you can. This is the little gift thing that I told you. Every time you hit it, they're going to give you points. So I just earned 75 points. If I go to my wallet and wait for it to load up, that 75 points is in there already. You feel me? So you can also invite friends as well. If you are really wanting to earn money, you want to come in here, you want to constantly hit this gift box, and you want to read as many articles as you can. Constantly read those articles and constantly hit this gift box and constantly refer. Like I just told you on the actual document, you want to constantly do these things. Hit the article, read it, read all of these articles, read as much as you can. Don't just scroll to them. If you're really interested into the content, actually share it on Facebook. And actually, I think it's a way that you can earn money actually by sharing them on Facebook. But if you want to constantly build up your, as far as activity on this app, you want to come in here, you want to share this, and you can, I wish they had a way that you can share it on Twitter as well. That's a really good way that you can earn money just by sharing articles on Twitter. You want to constantly come in here, refer people, share the articles on Twitter, read them, read as many articles on here as you can. Take about an hour or hour and a half out of your day to actually read these articles. If I hit this again, I just earned another 75 points. You guys, you can do this. Okay, you can earn 75 bonus points for another one time. So you can constantly come here. You can hit this as many times as you want to. Come here down. Once you get through watching this video, there will be a link in the description below directly to BuzzBreak. You go over there, you download it. You constantly come hit this gift box. Hit it as many times as you want to. You get paid out through PayPal. You can transfer your money directly to PayPal. You put in your email address or your phone number to your PayPal account. You type it again. You confirm the money goes directly to your PayPal. You can earn a lot of money with this app. I'm going to do it again. Boom. Another 75 points earned. So right now I'm at 5 cents. You can do the same thing. You can constantly come in here, read these articles, and earn points. And you can enter in a referral code to get 50 points. So I have a referral code in the description below that you can enter in that will give you 50 points just for doing that. So, but even though you're going to download it, you also want to enter in my referral code as well to earn an extra 50 points. You can come in here, you constantly hit this, you can earn some points with it. So I'm gonna wait till it load up again, and I'm gonna hit this gift box again. I just earned 5 points. So obviously after you use up all your 75 points free gifts, you can come in here and hit it again and again and again and constantly get 5 points. So come here, read some articles, and go hit this button, and you can earn a whole lot of money doing so. And obviously once you earn enough enough money that you're comfortable with, you can transfer it directly to your PayPal account. This is worldwide. You getting paid to read articles. Simple as that. It's a whole bunch of articles in here. You got to come in here and actually hustle. But do these things. The link will be in the description below. You want to read articles. Constantly hit the gift on the app. Refer, refer, refer. You can refer friends just by hitting that invite friends. And you can constantly refer people. Simple, easy. You can get paid to read articles. It doesn't get any easier than that. It's worldwide. This is the first completely worldwide app that I promoted on my channel. Go ahead and get the link to this app in the description below. Get that referral code, earn you 50 points just for entering that referral code, and go out there and start making money with this app. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope this was very, very valuable to you. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment. You can comment your only when you comment on this video, if you want to comment your referral code, just do the referral code. Do not do the whole app. Do not do the link. Do not spam in my comment section. Just come in here, and if you want to, you can put your code in the comment section below. Also, you can put it as many times as you want to update. You can come here and tell people how much money you've made with the app. Constantly refresh it and put it in the comment section below so people can know that this is actually real. Also, I have 2 other money making apps that are my biggest money makers online that I'll leave in the description below as well. There you have it, you guys. Go ahead and get started. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.